Hey, welcome back to my channel. Elenco Soldering Station LED display and temperature. Product dimensions, 8.5 by 8.75 by 3.5 inches. Item weight, 2 pounds. Domestic shipping, item can be shipped within US. International shipping, this item can be shipped to select countries outside of the US. Learn more. Item model number, SL30A. Manufacturer recommended age, 12 to 16 years. Is discontinued by manufacturer? No. Manufacturer, Elenco Electronics Inc. Country of origin, China. May 10, 2004. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.